are going to learn how to say the days of the week all in Spanish. I am Teacher Catalina and I teach Spanish. If this is the first time that you are joining me, I invite you to subscribe to my channel so you and I can continue to learn Spanish together. So let's start. The first thing that I want to tell you is that the days of the week in Spanish are not capitalized. Yes, you heard that right. We don't really capitalize days of the week in Spanish unless they are the first word on a sentence. So let's look at the first day. We have lunes. Lunes. Excellent. Lunes. Muy bien. Lunes is Monday. Excellent. Then we have martes. Yes, martes. Perfecto. Martes. Excelente. Tuesday. We have the day miércoles. It's a long one, but I know you can do it. Miércoles. Very good. Miércoles. Excellent job. Wednesday. Miércoles. Jueves. Jueves. Remember that the J makes a little bit of the sound of an H in English. Jueves. Very good. Thursday is jueves. Excellent. Viernes. Friday. Viernes. Muy bien. Viernes. Excelente. Now let's focus on el fin de semana. The weekend. El fin de semana. Can you say it? El fin de semana. Good job. The weekend. El fin de semana. Excellent. There are 2 days, dos días, en el fin de semana, on the weekend. Dos días en el fin de semana. We have sábado, Saturday, sábado. Very good. Sábado. That accent is on the first A. Sábado. Saturday. Excellent. And then we have domingo. Sunday. Domingo. Very good. Domingo. Excellent. So let's review the whole entire week to make sure that you are comfortable saying the days of the week in Spanish. Lunes. Martes. Miércoles. Jueves. Viernes. Sábado. Domingo. One more time. Lunes. Martes. Miércoles. Jueves. Viernes. Sábado y domingo. Domingo. Good job. Those were los días de la semana. The days of the week. Los días de la semana. Try again. Los días de la semana. Very good. Semana is week. Los días de la semana. Excellent job. Chocolas, give me 5. Dame 5. You did great learning the days of the week. And remember that this video is here for you to play and replay as many times as you need to so you can get that pronunciation under control and you can sound like a native speaker. If you like this video and you learn, go ahead and give me a me gusta. Thumbs up. Me gusta. I like. Muchas gracias por estar conmigo hoy. Thank you so much for being here with me today. And I will see you next time. Nos vemos. Adiós.